Once you've created your workflow in Teamly, it's now time to create tasks to assign to your users. To do this, click on the Add a Task button. Notice that you can create a task in any column that you've created. In this case, let's start with the upcoming column. Click on Add a Task. At the top, it will say Create Task and remind you what column that task is being created in. Give the task a name. Below the name, you can assign a user or you can leave it blank. On the right-hand side, you can set a due date. You can also set a priority. You can create a new label or use an existing label. If you click on Create a new label, you can give the label a name, select a predefined color, or use a custom color. Your new label will show under the Saved Labels column. If you'd like to edit that label, on the right-hand side you'll see the pencil icon where you can change the name, set it to a predefined or custom color. Once you've made your changes, click on Save to see the new color or name added for the label. Click on the checkbox next to the labels you'd like to apply to the task and click on Apply Labels. The labels will show on the left-hand side under the Assign User icon. Below that, you'll have the option to select the plain text and heading for your description, along with the option to set different formatting such as bold, italic, ordered, and add a link, etc. Enter a description for the task. Use the Add File button to add a file into the task. You'll see an attachment count for each file added. If you hover over the file, you'll have the option to delete it. The attachment file count will decrease. Once you're done setting up your task, click on the Create button. The new task will show in your workflow. If you click on the ellipsis at the top right side of the task, you'll have the option to mark the task as completed, edit, duplicate, copy as task link, or move the task to archive. When you click into the task's card, you'll see a task ID at the top left-hand side. You'll have the option to mark the task as complete. This will also be noted in the due date field. You can also mark the task as incomplete. You can archive the task, copy a link to the task, or close it out. Below that, you'll see all the configurations that have been set for the task. Additionally, you'll now see the option to add a comment to the task. You can add an emoji, bold, add a link, and add another task in the comment section if needed. When you're done with the comment, hit the Send button and your comment will be displayed at the bottom of the task. The activity feed will show you all the activities performed for the task.